Hi everybody, I'm Mike with Lenovo, and I'm here with the ThinkCentre M73 series, which is available in 3 form factors. We have a tower, the small, and the tiny. Today we're going to be replacing the power supply assembly in the small form factor. The process will take about 20 minutes, and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The only tool required will be a Phillips screwdriver. Before we continue, we want to make sure that we're protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. For more information on ESD, click the link in the description. Now let's get started. First, you want to remove the 2 thumb screws. And then slide the cover back and lift it. Now we want to pop the clips loose on the front bezel and then open it and remove it. And we still have a cable here that goes inside. And now we need to open the drive bay assembly. We just want to open it until this latch pops and locks it open. Now we need to disconnect the power button cable from the system board. And now we have these 2 clips that hold the cable in place. You twist to open the clips, and then you can pull the cable out. And so now we just need to pull the front bezel away from the system and feed this cable through the hole in the chassis. And now we need to lay the system down flat on the table. To remove the fan duct, you pull slightly outward on the tabs and lift it straight up and out of the system. We have 2 cables to disconnect before removing the power supply: the 14-pin power connector and the 4-pin power connector. Press the clip and lift to disconnect the cable. Do the same for the 4-pin power connector. Twist the clips to unlock them. Then remove the cables from the cable guides. Remove 3 screws from the back of the power supply. Press down on the clip to unlock the power supply, then slide it and lift it from the chassis. And here we have the replacement power supply that we're going to be putting in the system. Place the power supply in the chassis, then slide it towards the rear of the system to lock it into place. Install the 3 screws. Place the cables into the cable guides. Twist the clips to secure the cables. Connect the 4-pin power connector to the system board, and then the 14-pin power connector to the system board. To replace the fan duct, you just set it in place over the fan and push it straight down until the tabs snap. So now we need to stand the system back up to put the front bezel back on. We need to feed the power button cable through the hole in the chassis and pull it all the way through. Then we got to make sure the cable goes back into the clips, and you twist the clip to close it. Now we need to reconnect the power button cable to the system board. And now we need to close the drive bay assembly. We want to press down on the blue touch point on that latch, which allows you to close it. And then you just make sure it closes all the way. And now we want to align the hinge clips with the holes in the chassis and then close the front bezel like a door. We place the cover onto the system and slide it forward. Then replace the 2 thumb screws.